It's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The classic Mercedes-Benz styling cues are in an athletic form that slices through the clutter of other cars. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, front-wheel drive, digital instrument gauges, and auto-shift manual transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.